opens every day at 10 a.m.
These articles, such as hats, bags, and cell phones that are not completely secured within a pocket, are not permitted on the ride and must be left with a non-rider or placed in the exit platform. Failure to comply with these rules may result in rejection from the park. Valleyfair is not responsible for items lost or damaged during the ride. We accept all.
Order. And order means you are here, so the right home that enjoy your right. Well, looking back right there, your right is now coming to an end. Please remain seated out to the roughness counter. Please stop. Thank you and enjoy your stay here at Valleyfair.